Hi boys and girls, today we'll be doing the word problem for worksheet 12 on page 123. Cindy bought 5 kg of sugar. She used 1 out of 5 kg of sugar during the first week and half kg of sugar during the second week. How much sugar was left? So first let's add the sugar for the first week and also for the second week. Okay, so if we have a model, we'll draw this total, which is 5 kg. Okay, so on the first week, she used 1/5 of a kg. And on the second week, she used half a kg. So you want to know how much is left. So our first step would be to add the half and 1/5. So we use half plus 1/5 kg. So we notice that the denominators are different. They are not like fractions. We got to make like fractions. The common factor or common multiple for 2 and 5 is 10. So we have to make it to 10. 2 times 5 you will get 10. And here you multiply it by 2. Okay, so the like fraction will be 5 out of 10 plus 2 out of 10. We will get 7 out of 10. So she used 7 out of 10 kg of sugar for the first and second week. For step 2, now that we know you have used 7 out of 10 kg, we would like to find out what is the remaining. So this is step 2. What you need to do is take 5 kg of the sugar, take away the sugar used on the first 2 weeks, 7 out of 10. Now remember, 5 wholes, okay, can have 10 parts each, right? Now this is the same as having 4 wholes and 10 out of 10 parts. Okay, these are 4 wholes and 10 out of 10 parts. So now we can minus off the 7 out of 10. So focus your attention on the fractions. That will give you 10 out of 10 minus 7 out of 10, that will be 3 out of 10. So our final answer, how much sugar was left? You can write 3 out of 10 kg of sugar was left.